Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ConvertKit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate ConvertKit, start by navigating to the official ConvertKit website. Once there, locate the Get Started button, usually found on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Get Started. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation email from ConvertKit. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you to the ConvertKit setup page. Here, you need to create a password for your account. Enter a strong password, then click Create Your Account. Once your account is created, fill out the required details about yourself. This includes your name, business name, and any relevant information. After filling in your details, click Continue. You may be asked to choose a plan, either free or a paid subscription. Select the plan that suits your needs best. Once you've made your selection, proceed to enter your payment information if required. After entering your payment details, click Activate Account. Now, you will be taken to the ConvertKit dashboard. Here, you can start creating forms and landing pages for your email campaigns. Explore the various features to familiarize yourself with the platform. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your ConvertKit account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.